Man, it's nice and sunny today, guys. Nice and sunny. We'll see how the wheels look. They need cleaned up, that's for sure. They're definitely sparkling in the sunshine. But if you look close, you can see I definitely need to clean them up. They're definitely spotted up. There's my 8 balls. But they look good. But they definitely need cleaned up, that's for sure. We got the tint on. Man, Amos's tint looks so good. Blackout tinting once again. Look at this cut line, guys. Look at that. Perfect, man. And let me show you my corners here. Right there, you see that? I see a lot of places really mess these corners up, and he has got a perfect cut line. I can't even say anything else. It's just perfect. He did a great job on the tint. Let's open this door up. Ooh, we got some spots down the side. It's all right, guys. But yeah, check this out, guys. That's his edge cut, and I say that's real good. I'm real happy with it. Real good. It's not peeling, nothing. And as you can see, the color's great here in the sunshine. So hats off to Blackout Tinting. Amos, thank you again. Great job, guys. I'm telling you, get a hold of him on Facebook, Blackout Tinting. He's the guy to see if you want tint, for real. Yeah, these wheels look good on here. I love it, guys. I don't know if you can tell the purple in it or not. I got my shades on, so I see a little more of the purple than I do the blue with my tint on. See, it wouldn't be a bad idea to clean that up too. It's looking a little dull right now. We'll get that shined and polished up a bit. This is the dark side, guys. This is what the wheels look like. Down the side of the truck. Let's back up a little bit. Get it all in here. There we go. They look good on there. They really do. I'm real happy with this, guys. I really am. Still rubs a little bit. Today'd be a good day maybe to lift it up and smack it with a hammer. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll probably get the wheels shined up. We'll do that. This is a good clip. But yeah, not too bad, guys. Not too bad. I haven't really went over anything with the paint yet this season to gleam it up, make it look good. But we just keeping it clean. Keeping it clean at least for now. When the warm comes, then we'll do something to shine it up, make it wet. But looks like Aaron's back, so we're gonna get started on his vehicle and get that project coming. But before I go, we'll give you a clip of this window, guys. You see his cut here? Exceptional. Really good down the side of here. We'll open this door up, let you have a look like this. This is the corner that I'm always so picky about. I've seen other places just massacre this, guys, where he's got a real good line in here. He really does. And the quality of the film that he's using, I can tell, is probably of the highest quality. Sun strip looks good. Looks good. My window's dirty as shit. All them spots from the car wash. That's what happens, guys. Cheap car wash. But at least all the craft's off of it. So there's there's the sun strip. Good clean cut across there. My windshield's all spotted up. But yeah, he did a great job on the tint. Really did. I know I go on about it, guys, but I really am that happy with it. It helps my truck look real nice. It really does.